Welcome back to another video by Enterprises Software Solutions, your number one software dudes. My name is Anthony, and in today's video, we're going to look at how to manage the Teams meeting lobby. So first, let's start by looking at what the lobby is. So in this browser, I've got it in private, so I'm not authenticated. I've received a meeting for a Teams meeting in my demo tenant, and I'm going to join as a guest by inputting my name here and then clicking on Join Now. And because the lobby is enabled, I get this notification that we've let them know that in the meeting you're waiting. And so now, if I go over to the Teams application where I am authenticated and has started the meeting from, you'll notice that I get this notification that there is somebody waiting in the lobby, specifically the name that they mentioned with guest in parentheses. And there's also another notification saying that I'm muted and it can still hear me talking. So I can admit or deny this user here with this notification, or, and this is especially helpful if you have a lot of folks joining, I can click on the people icon and I can see a whole list of everyone that's waiting in the lobby. And then individually, I can allow or deny them with the green checkbox or red X. So I'm gonna go ahead and allow them. And there, you can see that they're now in the meeting. So the first thing I'm gonna do is mute them so we don't get an echo here in this recording. But now you can see that they're added to the meeting. And if I flip back over to the browser where I'm unauthenticated and I've joined as a guest, you can see I've now been added to the meeting and notified that I've been muted. So to be able to manage this setting, we do this from the Teams admin portal. So I can open that up here. And if we look at the URL, you can see that it's admin.teams.microsoft.com, or we can get here from the admin center, which I have bookmarked, so this is where I often go, and then clicking on the Teams option on the left. Back on the dashboard, we're gonna go to Meetings, and then Meeting Policies. And here, we can manage all of the policies that we have, and you can see for the most part, mine are all the standard policies. So we'll take a look at the global policy. So if I open up the global policy, I'm gonna scroll down to Meeting Join and Lobby. And here you can see we have a couple of options. So first, we can choose whether or not to allow an anonymous user to join a meeting. In this context, an anonymous user is a user that is not authenticated. So they haven't signed into an organization account and they haven't signed into another Microsoft account. That was an anonymous user as well. So we can allow or deny that. I'm gonna leave that enabled. However, the setting that I wanna focus on here is who can bypass the lobby. So if I hit this drop down, you can see that there's quite a few options in here. The only option in this list that allows anonymous users is everybody. Otherwise, all the other ones require them to be authenticated. The other option, people in my org, means that only individuals that are in your organization. Trusted org refers to another organization that you have decided to trust. Guests refers to an authenticated user that is not a part of your organization or a trusted organization. And then if we really want to be restrictive, we can even get down into only allowing organizers and co-organizers or just people who were invited. If I change this to everybody, this would allow the anonymous user to get in without having to sit in the lobby. However, if I hit save, you notice we get this notification from Microsoft that this change will take some time to take effect. So it's not something that I can demo here in a short recording, but I'm going to change it and hit confirm to demonstrate how to make that change. And remember, if you do have any kind of issues managing these Teams policies, feel free to reach out to Enterprises Software Solutions because we are your number one software dudes, and we're happy to help you. Thank you for watching.